Welcome, Prophet Rolex, to Nigerian versus food. Today you're going to be joined here by Iron Creator.
See my man, what's up now?
Guy.
This guy don't fat so.
You're going to be trying out hellfire cow legs.
Boy.
Guy.
I remember help me call my papa, so I don't call house again.
The leg be like with you.
Nah, yeah, well.
Oh, I see the way I just spread this meat like saying on one kind. Press by.
Why you this thing good at that? You know for this place.
But the leg nearly kicked me just now.
Ayo, if I not fat today, call me back scarce. Hey, Umona.
The sauce. Nah, soft die.
Where you want start?
Everybody did. Yeah.
You may concentrate.
Everything just
make a text one
once.
Hey!
Oh, Bob. Where are you going? This cow don't suffer. I don't feel go back again. Make Pepe no go enter director.
Remind my
the vein. If you cut him. Not from one now. I'm on. Oh, but you ready?
Nah, come on, man.
Get careful. Maybe the pepper no go enter my eye for reals.
Hello. Okay.
Did they shop the official leg for cow before?
Try the bomb.
Now they ask, did they shop the...
The chop am na. You get what they call auto. If you chop a place, you
try and first. They shop the leg. There. See the tear.
and just versus food.
Hey!
I don't apply. I want call you. No, you want finish the beer? No, this one now. Sorry, no give another beer.
Okay, this place now actually the strongest place for this meat. Wait, your teeth enter? Dead true. What do they call pepper too hot for your language?
Also, carry one of my no leave am. No, not collect, because if you collect anything we collect now, my con. Everyone bio.
You guys can win this challenge.
Yeah. Now, you kill yourself.
Did they ask you, do you think you can win the challenge?
If you don't chop, your blessing still add more.
Abi?
So do you think
I think now let me
it's
notice
possible for 2 human beings to eat a whole cow leg?
It's not possible. It's the law of Rolex. It's not possible for 2 human beings to finish one big cow.
So how many people do you think can eat one whole cow leg?
13 and a half. I want to choose one title for myself.
Okay, they think
Obey one.
Ogbeyin one.
No, not Obey. Obey.
Ogbeyin one.
One them.
Ogbeyin one.
I got drink. One. I got drink.
Oh, guy, you dey chop anything, no?
To come am down.
Okay.
The time I chop this thing last, the time I did 8 years.